Hello, this is Vishad Gohil, first year undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur. I have created an interesting toy camera as a part of my DIY project. Firstly, I downloaded the software FreeCAD and I created a cube using part and then filleted the edges of that cube. After that, I attached one cylinder to it, and with this, I attached another two concentric cylinders over it and wisely adjusted the dimensions and position. Later on, I added three cylindrical switches in the front face of my camera and adjusted their coordinates and position. And with this, I created two switches in the top head of my camera. I filleted the edges of those switches also. After this, I filleted the side edges of my camera so that it becomes comfortable while holding and using. After that, I attach the word IIT in the down part of my camera to enhance its look and give it a very nice look. After all these operations, I created the mesh design and meshed my model and exported the model and saved it. Later on, I downloaded the software Cura, which is freely available, and I adjusted some coordinates in my model. I did perform some adjustments in my model, like I changed the infill density in my model and I set the material. I also set the draft to be 0.2 millimeter and adjusted the wall thickness, and this way I performed some operations. So for infill density 50% I set my model and it showed around 3 hours and 45 minutes to print this pretty looking camera with an infill density of 50%, and it required around 63 gram of material to print this model. Finally, I generated the G-code file and saved it. So this way this pretty looking